Hey, what's up mga pamangkins? Ito na naman po ang inyong adventurerong Yotits, rock and roll. So, meron tayo ritong the Shoku or the Departure Monster Ryuset. So, of course, yun si Monkey D. Luffy, si Ronoro Zoro, tsaka si Vinsmoke Sanji. So, based tong figure na to, yung papunta na sila ng Onigashima from Wano para kalabanin yung tropa ni Kaido. So tara, napunta. Buksan na natin itong mga malupit ng figures na to. Rock and roll. So first up, para dito sa ating The Shoku or The Departure Monster Trio Unboxing Series. Meron tayo rito of course, ang captain himself, si Monkey D. Luffy. So tara, buksan na natin kung malupit ang figure na ito. Rock and roll. And of course, MIBN. Hirap kang buksan kasi skip pa ng box. Kasi never pa siya na-open. Kaya magpabukas. Pa-virgin yan. Hirap po. Type ka na. Wait lang. So yan. Isa na natin. Ito inside naman. Of course, brown box. Jadi challenge yung tanggalin ang fairness na. Or silica gel pang preserve ng figure. Ibabalik na natin siya sa box. Markings, may cereal, ang ganito lang ito. Teka. Additional markings pala sa figure. Ayan. Closer look lang muna. Tsaka Tsaka yung details, yung iconic scar ng kanyang straw hat. Yan. Additional marking sa figure. Let's see kung meron. Detail wise, para siyang DXF lang din. Ayun. Additional markings. Kita niyo ba? Yan. Mawawala yan usually. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a closer look here sa ating Dashoko Monkey D. Luffy. Details ng kanyang scar. So parang DXF scaling, pati yung details din. Ayan po ang kanyang iconic straw hat, pati yung scar doon. Nagawa ni Bobby. Tsaka yung details ng wear and tear, tingnan niyo. Sa gilid. Yung markings kanina. Okay. Siyempre, high test. Mukhang maliit lang itong figure na to. Parang DXF scale lang. Mas maliit pa nga ata sa DXF. So, si Luffy stands at 16 centimeters. So that's roughly 6 and 1/4 inches. Okay. And there you have it. The Shuko, or the departure, Monkey D. Luffy. Let's roll the montage. Rock and roll. So next up natin para sa ating Dashoko or the Departure Monster Trio Unboxing Series. Meron tayo rin Dashoko or Dashoko Ronoroa Zoro. So tara, saan na natin tumalupit ang figure na to. Rock and roll. Silica gel. markings, serial number. Sublook tayo. And then let's find additional markings. Kay Luffy meron, so most likely meron din yun. So hopefully makita sa camera. Ayan o. Additional markings. Details ng mga katana ni Zoro. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a closer look here sa ating Dashoko Ronoroa Zoro. Kanyang iconic scarf from the book. Kanyang mga katanas. Alright. Siyempre, mawawala. Eye test. So, medyo matangkad ng bahagya itong si Zoro compared kay Luffy. Stands at 18 centimeters. So, roughly 7 inches. Okay. And there you have it, the Shuko, or the departure of Ronoroa Zoro. Let's roll the montage. Rock and roll. Next up natin para sa ating Shuko or the Departure Monster Trio Unboxing Series. Meron tayo rito the Departure or the Shuko Vinsmoke Sanji. So tara, saan na natin pumalapit ang figure na to. Rock and roll. Force MIB, brown box. So medyo iba yung base ni Sanji compared sa naunang dalawa. Oblong yun sa kila Zoro tsaka kay Luffy. Kay Sanji round. Of course, authenticity check. Ayan. May serial. and additional markings sa figure. Nakita ko agad. Yung safety din naman masyadong simple na figure. Walang cut-thread here. Detail-wise maganda naman. Okay. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a closer look here. Sa the Shoko Vinsmoke Sanji. Kanyang iconic cigar, iconic curly eyebrows, nothing much, walang masyadong force para paranoid sa Sanji. Ano yun siyang wave 1, kundi yung kanyang paalang. Alright. Siyempre, hindi mawawala. Eye test. Supposedly magkahit lang sila ni Zoro. So, yes. About 18 centimeters then. So, roughly 7 inches. The Shoko for the departure. Let's roll the montage. Rock and roll. Bago tayo magpatuloy sa video na ito, huwag kakalimutang mag-like, pindutin lang ang thumbs up icon sa baba, at syempre mag-subscribe. Pindutin na din ang bell para hindi kayo maunahan ng mga marites. At kung sobrang nag-enjoy o meron kayong gustong isuggest, please leave a comment below. On to the show! Rock and roll! Have it! The Shoko or the Departure Monster Trio. Let's roll the montage. Rock and roll.
Up to toss some balls and I'm gunning with a bang. God can try to wreck my future. Your grandson has other plans. You should know you can't conduct me. I'm a rubber man. You're messing with the crew, so we'll soon roll up. Gonna bring the bite like we're monsters. So what you gonna do when these dudes roll up? Never lose a fight cause we're monsters. You're messing with the crew, so we'll soon roll up. Gonna bring the bite like we're monsters. So what you gonna do when these dudes roll up? Never lose a fight cause we're monsters. You're messing with the crew, so we'll soon roll up. Gonna bring the bite like we're monsters. So what you gonna do when these dudes roll up? Never lose a fight cause we're monsters.